Benefits of roof maintenance and inspections in Tampa, Florida. Even the most durable roofing systems can deteriorate over time. Factors like extreme weather conditions or sun exposure can significantly affect the lifespan of your roof. Timely roof inspections are necessary to prevent excessive damage and decay that could lead to premature roof replacement or costly and time-consuming repairs. Here are just a few of the benefits of regular maintenance and roof inspections. Save money. With a comprehensive roof inspection, we can accurately detect the weak areas of your roofing system early. Fixing problems before they escalate prevents expensive repairs or replacements in the long run. Extend your roof's lifespan. With timely inspections and proper maintenance, you can prolong the lifespan of your roof. Generally, roofing experts recommend getting your roof inspected periodically. However, you should also consider getting your roof inspected after a storm or any bad weather. Improve your home's curb appeal. The roof is one of the most visible areas of your home. It's usually the first thing that people will notice when viewing a property. Getting your roof inspected by a licensed roofing contractor can help ensure that your roofing system is in tip-top shape, which can instantly boost your home's curb appeal and property value. Protect your health. Undetected leaks in the roof or the attic can lead to mold or mildew growth, which can severely impact your family's respiratory health. Keep in mind that some leaks can be very difficult to detect. That's why it's advisable to get your roof inspected by a licensed roofer to immediately address the problem. Protect your home by getting your roof inspected by time-tested professionals. Call us now at 813-542-8462 to get a free estimate. Affordable Roofing Systems, where experience and quality matter.